Hey, this is Louis from AFE. Today we're going to install our Takeda intake system on this Mazda CX-50. All right, our first step is going to be removing this clip from the air box. And this is our MAF sensor harness. Then we're going to unplug it and move it out the way. Now we're going to take our 7mm nut driver and loosen up the clamp on the intake tube, connecting the turbo inlet. Now we're going to remove the 2 factory screws holding down the factory intake scoop by using a 10mm socket. Now we're going to go ahead and pull back on the factory tube and pull up on the grommets to take the intake out. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove the screw securing our MAF sensor. We're going to go ahead and install it into our Takeda tube and secure it with the provided screws. We're going to be using a T20 to secure this down. Just like that. Now we're going to transfer one of the grommets from the housing over to our Takeda housing. Now we're going to transfer these grommets from the factory scoop over to our Takeda housing. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and insert our filter into our housing. Make sure you lock it in place. Give it a nice pull to make sure it's secured. All right, we're going to go ahead and install our housing. We want to make sure we align the peg with the grommet on the housing and simply push down on it and you're good to go. Using the 2 screws we removed earlier, we're going to go ahead and put these back in here. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and pre-install our clamps onto our coupler. We're going to go ahead and slide it onto our turbo inlet. And we're going to go ahead and use a 8mm nut driver to tighten it down. Now we're going to install our intake tube by inserting it into the coupler first and then rotating it into the filter. At this time, we're going to tighten up all the clamps using a 8mm nut driver. Using the provided MAF extension harness, go ahead and clip it onto the OEM harness and then plug it in to your MAF sensor. We're going to go ahead and clip the MAF sensor harness to the back of our housing to secure it down. Our installation is complete. Let's go ahead and get a sound test for you guys. And lastly, we're going to add our optional Takeda plug to our housing. Thank you guys for choosing AFE Power. We'll see you next time.